kitchen. You're not cooking with the messy three. I am Chef Cool.
Hi, I am Chef Jack.
Hey, what do though? Hey, what do though? This Chef Goober. I grew up brother. Hey, what do though? Name Chef the Goober. I grew up in the hood, but I am French.
We're gonna be making pizza. And here's what you need.
Okay, so you're going to need a baking sheet, baking spray, olive oil, some cheap behind pizza dough, some even cheaper pizza sauce, pepperoni, pizza toppings. We're using Italian sausage crumbles, love the crumbles, and some really cheap cheese, and the piece de resistance, traditional basil pesto, classico. The first thing I do is make sure my oven is preheated to 425 degrees.
Alright, man. First thing you gonna do is spray this baking spray on this pan, man. Wait, make sure you spray it, man. Don't get it on my chef's face, man. You gotta spray it like it's graffiti or your grandma wall, man.
Make sure I spread this stuff throughout the pan like this.
Oh, man.
Chef Dredd, you are awesome.
Fine, too.
Oh.
What the heck was that?
I don't know.
What am I supposed to do? Oh, oh, so see what you do, man. What you do? You open up your dough and you put it onto the pan, man.
Move that dough.
Put it on there.
Pop it in your face, right?
What you gonna do, man? You gonna roll it up, man. Roll it like that paper I be getting, man. Roll it. You roll it up.
So, are we gonna leave it crooked like that?
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Anyway, so we gonna try to make it straight up to the pan. So on the pan, get it on it, man. Got spread it like my homies across America, man. And France too. And France.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah, man. What you think?
The next thing we're gonna do is take our extra virgin olive oil and we're gonna spread it on our dough like so. Oops, not that much. We're gonna spread it like so.
Man, what you
Don't
doing?
worry about me, chef. I got this.
You spraying too much.
Hey, Dredd. Let me do me and you do you. Now,
I'm telling you, you spraying too
You're the
much.
assistant chef.
You spraying too much.
Yeah, we'll be the man, but they ain't pay me a lot, man. So I
I
can't do it. I can't be the
told
main
you spread
chef.
too
They ain't
much.
pay me enough to be the main chef. I was like, nah, man. Nah.
You're tripping.
Hey, I ain't tripping. You tripping.
I get paid more to make them cupcakes, man.
I ain't on punishment. You on punishment. Voila!
So here we go.
This is what we're going to spread this stuff, the secret ingredient with the breast.
Just so y'all know, that is green,
I know, it looks like your
not brown. Don't want to let y'all know that.
Well, baby mama, we make a pizza, okay?
Did you just call me?
Baby mama. Is that what you are? Look, you're not even certified to be in the kitchen. You can leave.
Right now.
Sorry, man.
Kick rocks.
Peace out.
Come on, man. I take too long, man.
You're slow. Slow boat. Hurry.
All right. Look, baby mama, mind your business. The next we're gonna do is we're gonna spread our cheek behind pizza sauce all over like such. This is a bottle that was already busted open Saturday? You're using it today, god dang it. So said Chef Cool. Oh.
That look cool.
Yes, it does, Chef Dread.
Pick
I
one.
don't know what to say,
One.
man. It aight.
Go ahead and spread it about like such on that lopsided pizza.
Don't matter, pizza lopsided, it still look cool.
Word.
All right.
Baby mama, we shouldn't hear your voice.
Yeah, big mom. Be quiet. I don't know.
Baby mama gonna knock your teeth out in a minute, Chef Dread.
This is over here, right here.
Chef Dread's tripping.
Cause it ain't mine. Keep on going, Chef Cool.
What do you think, Chef DeGoober?
I don't know, man. It aight. I make pizza better, though. But it aight. It look good so far.
Make it. Put it in your head. Good.
All right.
Wrong with you, man.
Okay.
We gonna do that, though.
This is gonna do that.
Next.
We gonna spread some cheese on there.
You gonna take this great value, really cheap, pizza blend cheese, and you about to put it on that pizza. Well, you see what happened was, we ain't got a lot of that out right now. So we just gonna put what we got. And spread it throughout that pizza, though. And don't get nothing like this, because they ain't gonna look messed up.
Mmm. Looks yummy.
Oh, that's nice, man. Nice, man. Told
It
you I
ain't
make pizza
cooked.
better than this. We gotta spread it throughout.
This is what to do. We're gonna put this cheese on the pizza.
Alright, man, and here comes the good part, though. The good part. We about to put down that pepperoni, man. Dominican. So what we gonna do? We gonna spread this throughout the pizza. We spread it throughout, though. Make sure you have and try to get each individual pieces. Because if you don't, it's gonna look all crumbled up. You're gonna be buying into more than one piece, though. And I ain't like that. Only have one when it comes to meat, though. Am I right?
You are right. Is she right, Chef Dread?
No.
Okay, well, whatever.
Man, bump you. You ain't getting paid, I is.
And you
Anyway,
ain't gonna get paid
the
either.
next word paid me. But it's alright. It's alright. So we gonna do that. Now we about to pop open this sausage, though. Everybody loves sausage, especially in the morning. Man, when I used to make me sausage in the morning. My daddy too, but they don't do that no more. I got all these box lucky charms. Cause I'm too lucky for y'all. Too lucky. I'm gonna spread some of that throughout the pizza.
This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the rest of pepperoni on here.
Say some of that sausage in there for me, though. It'll taste good. Hope you ain't put all of it out. God doggy. God dang it. Alright, so what we gonna do? We gonna put another layer of cheese on it. This time, mozzarella cheese. You ain't gotta use mozzarella cheese, but if you want to, up to you. You can. You Gucci. I ain't gonna blame you. They gonna spread it throughout your pizza.
Right.
Or a second layer. Nah, I mean, you know, I'm doing it for so long though. But out here gives this paper. Nah, I mean, that's what my home dog Susie done taught me. Stay out here, getting this paper. Nah, I mean. Then I pop them bottles of glove, but we ain't try to get that. That's a whole other story. Nah, I mean. But I am hood. I am from the hood, but I am French. Understand? Alright. Say that about it, little cheese. But I mean, this extra cheesy. Oh, a little more. Extra cheesy. We about to be cheesy tonight, man. Except for me. I stay solid. I ain't do that cheesy mess, man. I don't do it. Cause it's not funny. It's not. Alright.
All right. Well, now we put everything into our preheated oven.
Hey, y'all see that though? It's purple on this camera, but it is red. It's hot. Gotta be careful, man. Ain't want no kids getting burned. Try to do whatever we doing in the video.
For sure. Now we wait.
We wait, man. We wait. That's how you get that paper. You gotta wait for it. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at this, man. Y'all ain't ready for this. Who y'all ain't ready? It's all Chef De Gooba, man. Oh, puts it down. Hey, that right now. Ah, yeah.
Well, this concludes our first episode of Cooking with the Messy Three. I would like to thank my lovely assistants, Chef Dredd and Chef the Goober. You guys have anything to say before we get up out of here?
I have to say we're going to tear this up.
I like to say that I thank y'all for helping me so I can get my paper. Nah, me. Without y'all, I won't be getting no paper making this pizza instead. Hey, yeah. Hey, so we just gonna say bye. That's it though. So,
Bye.
deuce.